So, you just got a 21x9 monitor, and you pull up Paladins, and boom, black bars. There are 3 settings that need to be changed to fix this. First, you need to make sure that DirectX 11 is enabled, you need to ensure that it's in full screen mode, and then you want to turn up the resolution scaling. Then we're going to go ahead and reset the game. When the game comes back up, it'll be in 21x9. Now, there are 3 ways to get 21x9 support in a game. You can have full native support where it adds additional pixels on the side of the screen, you can stretch it to where it fits the ratio, or you can zoom in, cutting off the top and the bottom. We're doing the third option here. Now, I know there is a hack to get true 21x9 support, but it doesn't work for a lot of people and it breaks with every update. Hi-Res Studios has come out and said that they have no intention of adding 21x9 support to Paladins. And they didn't so much as have the decency to hide behind calling it a competitive advantage like Blizzard did. They just think it's too much work. So for now, this may be the best option we have. And that's it. Here's some gameplay footage to show you what it looks like. I don't find it particularly distracting. It's a whole lot better than black bars. But the tutorial part is over. You can go ahead and click away now, or you can stay and watch 3 minutes of gameplay footage. That's really up to you. Have a go. Big thanks to everybody who stuck around. I'm glad this game went well because I wasn't doing more than one take at this, and I hope y'all have a great day.